Imagine yourself being in Antarctica desert. You went for camping with your friends but got separated from your group because of storm. Such a same thing can happen with you in Sahara desert also. You can either die of heat and starvation or can walk 100 miles to save your life. In this situation, you will walk to save your life, but in day-to-day life, you walk to live a healthy life. Walking is one of the simplest, easiest and fun ways to stay healthy and lose weight. It is ideal for people of all age group who want to stay active and fit without mass effect. Here are top 10 benefits to start or keep walking. So watch the video till end. Let's get started. Number 1. Walking sharpens your brain. Walking for exercise may become increasingly important as we age, and our risk for dementia and other brain disorders increases. It can even help reverse the effect of aging. To improve your cognition even more, try walking backwards. Number 2. Walking promotes bone health. Walking helps to increase your bone density and slows down body loss in your body. This simplest exercise is very effective for your spine, legs and hips. Walking can help strengthen bones and reduce your risk of osteoporosis. Number 3. Walking blusters your memory. Having a hard time remembering where your keys are. Walking regularly appears to help specifically bluster the hippocampus, the part of your brain involved in verbal memory and learning. Number 4. Walking boosts your mood. Having a rough day, walk it off. Numerous studies have linked walking for exercise with improved mood and reduced stress levels. And it's even better if you can take a stroll through nature. Walking outdoors near greenery shown to help reduce feelings of frustration, and many even help put your brain into a state of meditation. Number 5. Walking kills stress. Walking promotes mental well-being by killing all your tensions and stress. If you feel stressed, go outside and walk. The combination of movement and fresh air will instantly boost your mood and make you relax. Number 6. Walking improves your sleep. Walking may help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly, especially if you suffer from insomnia. A morning walk outdoors may be particularly beneficial since exposure to daylight can help you stay in tune with your natural circadian rhythm. Walking helps to boost your daytime energy. This helps in providing longer and sounder sleep. If you want good sleep, schedule your walk much before your sleep time. Number 7. Walking prevents miscarriages. Walking during pregnancy helps to reduce fatigue and various other pregnancy-related problems. It can help to lose weight easily and lowers the risk of gestational diabetes. Walking can also prevent abortions. Number 8. Walking reduces blood pressure. Physical activity like walking helps to reduce high blood pressure among patients. As high blood pressure is a silent killer, one must walk regularly to stay off from these problems. Walking helps to improve the blood flow, thus increases available oxygen to the muscles, which makes the blood vessels more relaxed and helps to lower the pressure. Number 9. Walking increases alertness. This simple aerobic exercise also helps to improve your mind alertness. Walking improves circulation and availability of oxygen to the brain. Thus increases alertness. Another reason for mental alertness is the release of chemicals like adrenaline, which is discharged due to walking. Number 10. Symptoms like depression, anxiety, social withdrawal, mood swings, distress in others, irritability and aggressiveness, wandering, loss of inhibition, delusion, these all are the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. Walking 5 miles per week was shown to improve the brain's resistance to Alzheimer's disease and mild cognitive impairment and reduce memory loss over time. Walking fewer than 10,000 steps a day can protect against Alzheimer's disease. So start walking today if you want to live a healthy life. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your loved ones. Do it right now. So guys, that's it for today. Bye bye, take care. You guys have a great day.